Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over a thrift store mirror. Now you know how much I love thrift store furniture, so I took this mirror and we decoupaged it and added a bunch of really fun embellishments. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over a mirror. Using hot glue and silicone molds, but you could use 2-part epoxy resin like Famo Wood Glaze Coat if you want to. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.